Hi, it's your boy, the Redneck Warrior, again, working on this pesky trailblazer. And I'm going to teach you how to change a headlight bulb in a trailblazer. You're going to need quite a few tools to do this, like a flathead screwdriver. That's all the hell you need. And so let's get to it. Alright, to remove the actual headlight here, you have to take this grill piece off, and I'm about to show you how to do it. There's 4 on top. There's little clips. All you gotta do is press them back just a little bit. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That means I can count, or at least a 4 can. Alright, so second, there's clips right here. There's a clip right here. So take your screwdriver on your bottom light and barely pry back on it right here. On each side, just like that. So now your grill's pretty dangling at this point. Alright, the next thing you want to do is a clip right in the middle of this Chevy symbol. So you want to go back, put your arm inside of it, find the clip in the middle, and just give it a little bit of a clip right there. Pull back, just hit it just a tad, it'll pop right out. Alright, you got a clip here, clip here, clip here, and a clip here. So we'll probably take those out too. Be careful though on these. The ones right here, you'll definitely break if you ain't careful. Just like that, it's pretty simple. Ain't she beautiful? Alright, so the next part, this is the same on each side. There's a clip here, just pull up. There's a clip right there on the inside. You do the same thing with it. Pull up. There's a plug-in. This plug-in right here, you have to undo it too, because if not, you'll pull the wires out. Obviously, at this point, you just slide the headlight out. There's a plug here, pull them out. Both your bulbs are right here. It's your low dim, it's your high dim. Or headlight. What the hell ever you want to call it. You know what I'm talking about. Anyways, that's it. Just repeat the video, put it all back together, and hopefully it don't fall out.